Good morning and Jai Hind. Cancer, tuberculosis, arthritis, or any other physical disease, we all talk about them openly and at length. But depression, a common mental health problem which is seen across all age groups, including children and adolescents, we don't want to discuss about it and avoid this.
India is the most depressed country in the world according to World Health Organization. WHO earlier predicted that by 2020, that is the current year which is going on, approximate 20% of the population will suffer from mental illness. Depression is one of the leading cause of suicide in India. Still, we don't talk about depression because there is still stigma attached to mental illness. It's very sad that even educated people still loosely termed pagal, mad
When associated with depression. Now, how does it take place in one's life? It takes place in one's life slowly. First, on very non significant things changes in the personality of a person that leads to bigger changes, and ultimately it changes the personality of concerned person completely. Initially, it is a reaction to a life which a person has never imagined. Means like he or she has thought of something else and something else is happening in their life. So, it's a reaction to stress and inability to cope with that situation. Now, what are the symptoms of depression? How we will find that who is suffering with depression? In that, you will find there are certain changes, as I said, in the personality of a concerned person. The first is that, like, that person has no energy. He always feels tired. If you say something to him or her to do something, so there is always a complaint that I'm feeling weakness, I'm tired, I'm not able to do this. And that person gets angry easily or gets irritated easily for small things. He or she finds no pleasure in those activities also which he or she finds very good for them. They used to enjoy those activities, but now they stopped enjoying those activities, they stopped doing those activities. They feel guilty for each and everything. They held themselves responsible for each and every, you can say, the bad thing happening in their lives. They feel that they are of no use, now they are not required. They feel helpless. They think that now they cannot change anything in their life. Now whatever is happening, whatever bad thing is going on in their life or their family lives, they are responsible for that and they cannot change that. There is a deep rooted sadness and regret in their lives. They always think of death or suicide. They have lots of pains. They will complain of this body pain, headache, stomach pain, in leg pain, in hand. I mean, such type of regular complaints they will make. either they will eat a lot. It's not that depressed person will eat less. No, sometimes they eat a lot and gain weight. And in the same way, either they will sleep a lot or they will not sleep. They have poor memory. Now they cannot remember, they cannot retain things for long time. You will tell now and the next moment they will forget. And they will have poor decision making skills. They cannot make any decisions in their life. So these are the few signs through which you can make out that a person is depressed. But remember one thing, it's not that, like, suppose if someone is complaining or someone exhibits such kind of symptoms or few symptoms out of this for 2, 3, 4, 5 days, then you consider that person is a depressed person or a low grade depression he is suffering with. No, it's not like that. If these symptoms persist for longer time, for few weeks, then it's an alarming sign and we should start caring for that. Now, how to overcome it? First of all, there is a need to accept that yes, that depression is there and that person is suffering with depression. He or she also has to accept and the family also has to accept, and now it's a part of his or her life, and it does take time to recover. Give that time to yourself, and then the family and friends should also support and give that time to that person to recover. In early stage of depression or with a mild depression things, like these things can be changed, or you can manage it by yourself with the support of your family and friends. Like you can go for a walk, do yoga, do something that you enjoy, or talk to a friend who can help you. But in advanced stage, you need to consult mental health worker, and please don't shy away from that. Accept it and consult mental health worker. It is like a physical disease. Like for example, if you are suffering with typhoid, so it will take some time, but with medicine it will go, right? You recover. In the same way, depression is a mental health problem which can be cured. You can recover with the help of your family and friends in initial stage, but with the help of mental health worker in advanced stage. Thank you.